The closer we get to the surface of the moon, we can see tunnels, pipes, etc. They're coming up. They're light gray. They're the same color as the surface. The importance of this footage right now, as we're panning over this alien colony city, the importance is unimaginable. As silly as it sounds to the entire world, and that there are only a handful of people trying to prove this, I found the proof. Look in the other videos, find out the structures, look through my videos, skim through them. I found many, many, many structures. And this is the material they use to build. And this is the way they build it. And these are massive. And when I say massive, the World Trade Center is big. This is massive as proportion to the size and height. We're used to building on Earth so long the laws of physics, obviously, and the gravity, and if we don't build things straight, the gravity will pull it down. The higher we get, there'll be a pull. They'll tear, the building will tear. There's certain ways of building. On the moon, it's not at all the same. They can build egg-shaped domes going up like stairs because the pull and the weight on it is insufficient enough to pull it down. It's going to stay up. It's the way they can construct on the moon. We're trying to find structures with our mentality of being here on Earth. Well, they've never been here on Earth, well, so to say. In general, they're in hiding if they are. But the way they build it on the moon is not going to be the way we build here on Earth. There could be many similarities, and there are. But in general, if it's an alien species that is trying to hide, well, they will most definitely very simply use the surface of whatever planet they are on to make a natural settlement so that no one from far or any telescopes could even want to go there for any reason. Common sense. Let's use good judgment. I'd like you to look at this slow pan as I pan over the surface of the moon. Look at all the pipes, tunnels, structures, whatever your eyes can pick up. Look at this scenario and tell me what you see, because it's not normal. All these rocks that have these light gray string-like objects leaving the rocks, what are they? Now this installation is the closest to Earth, and notice all the long bridge-like structures leaving the installation, going from to various craters, etc. Also, this installation has massive building structures that are very visible, and you can clearly see that it's something that was built. I'd like you guys to comment in the comment below. Tell me if you guys believe this is an installation or whether you believe it is natural, because the answer is obviously it's something that was built, but I get some people just really can't see these things. bridges, massive double bridges can be seen, tunnels, pipes. This is something that I'm sure many of you have noticed, but just are maybe afraid to mention it. But we're not doing anything wrong by mentioning it. It's what I do with this information afterwards is what could maybe get me in trouble, but I'm allowed to know what's on the moon. We are all paying for those projects anyways, so look at this white structure that's made like it's seeping over the mountain like a frozen icicle. This is a structure, once again, whether it be made or not to blend in with the surface, it does.